This is a lesson 16 of the course. Today I am going to introduce about a silent killer. Who is that? That is sitting disease. You are thinking sitting is the rest. No, no, no. Sitting is metabolic damage. I am shooting this content by standing, not by sitting. Why? Because sitting damages metabolism. If you are sitting for a long time, it will increase your blood sugar, increases our belly fat, weakens our muscles, stiffens our spine. You cannot undo 8 hours of sitting with 30 minutes of exercise. So you have to stand or move every 30 minutes.